This is a gorgeous chicken of the woods mushroom. They bloom late summer and fall. You'll typically find them growing on hardwoods such as oaks, as seen here. When foraging mushrooms, please be responsible and remember to only take what you need. Leave some to reproduce for later. We were lucky enough to have a giant red oak tree fall in our backyard, and it was covered in these babies. So we're going to take them inside and we're going to eat them, and we're going to preserve some for later. Unlike most mushrooms, these have pores, not gills. Chicken of the woods is an easy to identify mushroom, and there's not very many lookalikes, so it's a good beginner forager mushroom. Be sure that it is growing on a hardwood species and not on eucalyptus or cedar trees or other trees that contain compounds poisonous to humans. We rinse these in some water, we cut off any undesirable parts, cut them into strips, and we're going to freeze them in half-pound portions. These mushrooms are perfectly fine to freeze raw, so you can thaw and cook them later. Place a folded paper towel in your freezer bag, so when that 65 to 90% water starts squishing out, it doesn't interfere with the sealing process. If you're looking for a vegan option that still tastes kind of like chicken, this is your mushroom. We're meat eaters in my household, but we all really like this mushroom. For every 100 grams of this chicken of the woods mushroom, you're getting about 20 grams of protein. That's pretty comparable to actual meat. So I'm going to make some fajitas for dinner. I'm going to use a taco seasoning and fry them up in lots of butter with some onions. These also contain nutrients of magnesium, zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin D3, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin A. One of my kids was extremely disappointed that we were having mushrooms for dinner until he finally took a bite, and he muttered under his breath as he left the room that those were pretty good. I wish my mouth was bigger. Oh my god, these are so good.